A. And 1. Use 1 when the number is important. When you want to emphasize that it is only 1. For example, one of these eggs is rotten, but the others are okay. I wanted to buy 3 CDs, but I didn't have enough money. So I bought only 1. A. And in all other cases, when the fact of being 1 is not important, use A and. For example, I had an omelette for breakfast. I bought a new CD yesterday. What about the difference between a and an? We use an before words beginning with a vowel sound, and a before all other words. For example, an apple, a banana, an umbrella, a uniform. Because uniform is pronounced uniform. And our a hat. We use an with our because the H in our is silent, but the H in hat is not.